guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. For those of you that are new, my name's Alyssa Daw and I'm currently creating videos for my new wedding series. For those of you that are DIY brides just like myself, then stay tuned because I have a ton of more video ideas coming your way. If you have ideas for me, leave them in the description box down below. I would love to know what you want to see next. So my wedding is June 16th, 2019 here in Oregon. For my bridesmaids, I have 5 and they are scattered all over the place. So I have 1 in Montana, 1 in Virginia, 2 in California, and 1 here in Oregon. So since everyone's kind of scattered around, I really wanted to try and find an online website where everyone can order their dresses through that way, which is how I found Azazie.com. So when I went to Azazie.com, the first thing that I noticed is how many color options they have. For my bridesmaid dresses, I really wanted a blush pink. David's Bridal, the closest thing they have to that is Petal, which they only carry in some dresses, but only online, not in store. So I didn't really want to go that route. So with Azazie.com, they have a ton of different color options. So the first thing that I did was order color swatches to see what the fabric color looks like. When you go on their website, these swatches are $2, and I ordered swatches from a different place. Let me just show you an example. I ordered dress swatches from Weddington Way, and it came like this. Their pink was too peachy and not blushy enough. Anyways, so this was the fabric swatch that I got. So when I ordered from Azazie, that's exactly what I was kind of, picturing that I would get. I ordered pearl pink, which, let's see, is this. And as you can see, it comes with every single fabric that they have in this color, which is amazing. And it was $2. So I ordered pearl pink, dusty rose. This is so beautiful. Blushing pink, which is what I'm gonna end up going with. Ton of different colors. Silver, because why not? So the silver one. And so as soon as these came in the mail, 1, I was super excited to actually get them in the mail. 2, the fact that they are this big compared to this big of a swatch. I think this was $5. This was $2 for all of this. Are you kidding? So with the swatches, highly recommend ordering a swatch of color to see which one you like, and then on it, it tells you in order what the fabric is that you're looking at when you're going through, because Blushing Bride, there's some that are too peachy tone and then too pink tone. Yeah, so the swatches are perfect. The only thing I would say is it takes quite a while. I want to say it took like 2-3 weeks maybe when I contacted them asking kind of where the package was, because it hadn't gotten mailed yet. They did end up refunding my money. Really, I wasn't so concerned about getting a refund or anything. I just wanted to receive the swatches because I was super excited. So they do have really good customer service. So you can go on their website and select the design of dress that you are interested in, and then it's only $10, which is really awesome, to try on a dress to see if you like it or not. That's amazing. So when you go on the website and look at the dresses that you like and the style, when you click to get a sample dress sent to your house, they don't have every single color option for every single size. The 2 dresses that I ended up choosing happened to be in the blushing pink that I wanted. So keep that in mind, that a dress style that you like may have purple instead of blushing pink, but you can still get an idea of the style of dress, just not the color. So the packages came in the mail. I'm so excited. It took like, I think 3 days, 4 days, super quick. So I am going to open the box. I just got it in the mail, and we're gonna open this box together and see how the packaging comes. I searched YouTube for Azazie reviews and I didn't find any that do the full unboxing, so I figured I would do that with you today because I would want to see that. So without further ado, right, is that how you say it? So it comes like this. I'm so excited. So that's the front, and it looks like they put 2 dresses in it. And I guess this is to carry it. Whee! They're so pretty. What a gorgeous color. Ooh, they're long. So this one's the Arabella in size 0. And this one is Yasmin in size A4, but it has an S written on it for small, I guess. This one, that one doesn't have it. So I ordered both dresses in blushing pink only because neither of them had size 2, which would be my normal size, in the blushing pink, and then that way I can kind of decide what sizing fits better if I would need to go up or down a size. So this is the Yasmin dress. It's definitely loose, as you can see. You could wear a bra with it just like for a little more, but it has built-in cups and it has bones, is that what it's called? Like right here, and it has this. The only thing I would say that I don't like about it is kind of where it hits. My sides are like here, so the fact that this comes down a little farther, I mean, I guess if it was fit better then it would be like that, and that would look good. So this one is the Arabella in blushing pink. It's size 0. It actually tells the description. Bust 32, waist 25.5, hips 35.5. Normally I wear size 2 in dresses. So love this one more than the other one for the sake that it comes down, it scrunches right here instead of only in the middle. And this is kind of where my hips are actually. But again, this is a 0 and the other one was a 4. It's so pretty. So if I were to stand on my tippy toes, then it would be the perfect length. I love when bridesmaid dresses hit the floor and don't show the heels. So normally I'm a size 2. This one fits super good. It fits really tight actually. I would suggest if you're getting samples, try your size and the size down to see what fits you better. This fits me really good, but like if I ate a ton of food or something and my boobs got any bigger, it would be a little snug. So ladies, if you're watching, what do you think? Do you like the dress? I'll show you a close-up of it so you can see. Okay, so close-up of this dress. Hits the floor, and then if I had heels on, it'd be to there. But really pretty. Yeah, don't mind my filming setup. Really pretty. I love where it hits right here. Again, this is a little bit smaller. It's 2 sizes smaller than the other one, but it's really pretty. It accentuates the hips nicely. And this is like, I mean, I'm not wearing a bra, but it's pretty. It has like a little pad thing in it. It's flattering. It looks nice. And the top's nice. It does have this that kind of sticks and helps stay up, which is really nice. But I wish this was a little bit different. Like, I don't know, maybe not as much fabric. So that wraps up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more DIY wedding videos. I would love to have you be a part of this fun, exciting, crazy, stressful journey. Click that bell notification icon so you can be notified as soon as I post new videos. You won't want to miss the next one. All right, until next time, bye guys.